Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to center a WordPress button in your website. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. Then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then click on enter. After that you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put in your login credentials there, it will simply take you to this page. And from here you have to just simply click on the edit side option. Here you can see the edit side option is in the right hand side in the quick links button. You have to just simply click on the edit side, and after you click on the edit side, it will simply take you to the website that you would like to edit. And from here you have to just simply click on the plus icon from the top navigation bar. Simply click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon in the search menu, you have to just simply type in the button option from here, and once you type in the button, here you can see after typing button you will get this option from here. Just simply put it to your website like this. And once you put it here you can see the button option is already showing here, and you can also make it aligned by clicking on this icon from here, and it will align according to your preferences. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.